Today I'm going to show you how to use your interactive board, whether it be a smart board, Epson, or Promethean, in Google Classroom while using your new camera that you received. Once you have the camera installed, by plugging it into any USB port, you adjust the camera for your teaching area, and then what you're going to want to do is click on Present Now, and you can do your entire screen or a window. So I'm going to present a screen that's going to have my Promethean on it. So now once I have my screen shared, the students will see this on their screen, and they will also see this on their screen. So they'll see both of them, so you'll be able to teach your lesson while they can see you and while they can see what you're writing. All the audio comes through the microphone that is attached to the camera. It's right at the bottom of the lens. So the closer you are to the camera or facing it, the better. If you walk away, it will start to be a little bit muffled and harder to hear you. You do not have to have the camera on for the microphone on there to work, so you can do it that way too. And that's pretty much it. Thank you. I hope that helps.